Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 with the 5-quart capacity. It's received 4.8 out of 5 stars and over 9,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. So discover this powerhouse that transforms the way you cook. Whether you're air frying, roasting, reheating, or dehydrating, this versatile appliance delivers crispy, delicious results with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Its generous 5-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, handling everything from golden fries to juicy roasted chicken. With its precision-controlled temperature and fan speed, your dishes are cooked to perfection every time, faster than conventional ovens and with minimal cleanup. Plus, the sleek space-saving design fits beautifully into any kitchen. Embrace healthier cooking without compromising flavor. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro makes mealtime quicker, easier, and tastier than ever before. Level up your kitchen game today. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro is ready to revolutionize the way you cook. So how exactly do you use it? You're going to want to start by placing the air fryer on a flat, heat-resistant surface with enough space to allow airflow. Plug it into a power outlet. Now you can opt to preheat the air fryer by selecting the desired cooking function, either air fry, roast, reheat, or dehydrate. Then set the temperature and let it preheat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the preheat is a step that's optional, but it does help to ensure even cooking, but it's not mandatory for all recipes. You'll want to season or coat your food as desired, then lightly spray the food with oil or nonstick cooking spray for crispier results, though many items won't need added oil. Cut the food into appropriate sizes and allow even cooking. Place food into the basket, ensuring it's spread out in a single layer for best results. Avoid overcrowding the basket. For crisp foods like fries, chicken wings, and vegetables, you want to air fry. For meats, fish, and larger cuts of vegetables, you may want to choose the roast setting. The reheat feature is ideal for reviving leftovers without losing flavor or texture. The dehydrate feature is perfect for drying fruits, veggies, or jerky. Set the temperature and the time using the control panel, then press start to cook. Shake or flip food halfway through. That's it. So check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.